Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx 3D tutorial. In this video, we will apply PhongMaterial to represent a solid material. So PhongMaterial, and we are using the solid color, and we will use the same PhongMaterial class to apply texture map. Here if you see, the box is applied with red color material, and this is applied with the color that represents a wooden object. So just by applying the color, you can see this 3D cylinder gone into a wooden rod, right? In the last video, we learned about the surface material, and we learned about important methods available through PhongMaterial. So these are all the setter method, and if you see, the properties are diffuse color, diffuse map, specular map, and specular color. So using these properties, you can create a material, then you can apply that to a 3D object. So the process goes like this: first creating the material, then creating the 3D shape, after that applying that material to the 3D shape. So in the last video, we created two 3D shapes, right? One is a box and another one is a cylinder. We will use those two 3D shapes, and we will explore how to apply a solid color material to the objects. Here if you see, we are creating a PhongMaterial, and we are naming that as red material. Then here we are naming it as a wood material. So the instance what we are using is PhongMaterial from JavaFx package. Then we are setting the diffuse color. So red material, we are setting the diffuse color as color.red, and for wood material we are applying the color as burly wood. So these are all the color constant that comes from JavaFx package, and we are using that here to prepare the material. At this time we have two solid material ready. One is red material and another one is wooden material. So we have 3D box, right? To the 3D box we are making call to setMaterial method and supplying our red material to the box. Then supplying the wood material to the cylinder. So that's all the work required. Once you've done that, when JavaFx scene graph is visited by the runtime, it will create the 3D object, then apply the created materials to it. Now let's go to the demo and make this code change. So in the last video we created box and cylinder, right? So we will reuse those. Okay, this one is the FXML. By default, if you see, a gray color is applied to them, and when we go to controller, these are all the code added as part of 02. We have two shape, 3D shape, then we performed rotation and we saw the 3D shapes. So let's build this once again, and when you run, a default material of gray colored one is applied to both. So we will run that and see it once. So the gray color is applied to the box and cylinder. Alright, now we will make the code change required for this specific video. And if you see, the Phong material is coming from JavaFx scene paint. So that's the package, and here is the Phong material. So the color is from JavaFX scene paint color. We will import this package. So as already explained in the slide, we create two material, then we set the diffuse color property, and by setting two different color, we are creating a solid of a red solid material and wood type material. Then wood type material we are applying it to cylinder, and brick type material we are applying it to our 3D box. Now we will build this and run it. Here, if you see, the materials are applied to our shapes. So red material is applied to the box because that's what we did. 3D box, red material is created here, and for cylinder we applied wood type material. So you can explore other objects. So for example, here color dot red, instead of that you can try with a different color and apply the material. Okay, so let's build this once again. So now wood is applied with a golden type of material. Alright, in the next video we will talk about texture map and applying that to the shape. Just now you saw the demo. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.